Hello, how to solve 3 power m plus 3 power m equals 90. Solving for the value of m that satisfies this equation, so we start by factoring out 3 power m because it's common. We have 3 power m times this divides 3 power n, I have 1, plus 3 power m divides 3 power n, I have 1, and this equals 90. And here we have 3 power m times 1 plus 1, that is 2, and this equals 90. So right now, divide this by 2, divide this by 2, 2 eliminates 2, of 3 power m equals 90 divided by 2, that is 45. I apply log, log 3 power n equals log 45. Now, if you have log a power p equals p times log a, apply this right here. Fm times log 3 equals log 45. Half n times log 3 equals log 45. Here is 15 times 3. Log a times p equals log a plus log p. Fm times log 3 equals log 15 plus log 3. You can express 15 as 5 times 3 as well. M times log 3 equals log 5 times 3, that is 15, plus log 3. I remember again, log a times b equals log a plus log b. Applying this, so we simply have m times log 3 equals log 5 plus log 3 plus log 3. Log 3 plus log 3, that is 2 log 3. This is 2 log 3. I can isolate m by dividing this by log 3 and dividing this by log 3. So from here, this eliminate this. Half m equals log 5 plus 2 log 3 divided by log 3. So from here, we have m equals log 5 divided by log 3 plus 2 log 3 divided by log 3. So from here, this eliminate this. So simply have m equals log 5 divided by log 3 plus 2. Log a divided by log b equals log a to the base of b. Fm equals log 5 to the base of 3 plus 2. So that is our m. Now, next step is to set that and evaluate and verify our solution. What is our m again? This is log 5 to the base of 3 plus 2. And this is 3 power m plus 3 power m equals 90. That means we have 3 power log 5 to the base of 3 plus 2 plus 3 power log 5 to the base of 3 plus 2 equals 90. If you have a power x plus 1 equals a power x times a power y. Applying that here and here. Have 3 power log 5 to the base of 3 times 3 power 2 plus 3 power log 5 to the base of 3 times 3 power 2 equals 90. Remember, a power log b to the base of a equals b. So here we have 5 times 3 power 2, that is plus, here we have 5 again, times this is 3 power 2. So 3 power 2 is 9, we have 5. Equals 19. 5 times 9, that is 45. 5 times 9, that is 45. Equals 19. 45 plus 45. 5 plus 5, that is 10. This is add 1 to 4, 5 plus 4 again, that is 9. So 90 equals 90. Left hand side equals right hand side, and that is it. So guys, this is how you solve it. Thank you and goodbye.